How to add Find My Widgets on Android home screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to be on your home screen. Then tap and hold on an empty area. At bottom, you see different options: wallpapers, icons, widgets, layout, and many more. For now, to add Find My Widget on your Android home screen, select Widget option. Here you will see variety of widgets for clock, calendar, Chrome, contacts, conversation, digital well-being, Gmail, Google, Internet, Keep Notes, and many more. As you keep scrolling, you can find any of those. And now, you need to select a particular widget which you want to add on your Android home screen. Suppose, let's say for Google. Let's add this at a glance. And then it will be appeared on your home screen, but before that you have to simply select a widget style. So let's scroll down and let's choose the semi-transparent. And now you can easily tap and hold this widget and move it any way on your home screen. So let's place it here. If you dislike it and want to remove it, you can tap on the minus like icon and select remove widget. So in this way you can easily add Find My Widget on Android home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.